Robots which have been roving around on Mars since 800 evidence of water to life on Mars. Well, it's certainly got people talking. This image has been robot rovers. A figure which many reckon looks like a mythical Bigfoot is pictured at the far left of one of the panoramic photographs taken by the Spirit rover in late